Okay, n1 colon equal 10, n2 colon equal 20, and total colon equal n1 plus n2. Total colon equal n1 plus n2. Please write down the same. What I'm going to do here, I have given n1 given value 10 to n1. Here given value 20 to n1, and finally I have added n1 and n2, n1 and n2, and store the total in TOT variable. Variables are like your variable is something similar to your mug. If you put tea to your mug, it is tea mug. If you put coffee, it's coffee mug. If you put cool drink, it's cool drink. Likewise, mug is fixed, but you are going to put different values in different times. Mug is fixed, but you are going to put different values in different time. Okay, please write down the same code. N1, 10. Right? When you run this, okay, please run this after. So let me explain the code from the beginning. The program name is hello. These are the variables. Variables means these are the places where we are going to store these values. This is like 3 mugs. This is 1 mug, mug 2, and there's another mug. Maybe this is a jug. 2 mugs and 1 jug. Right? These 2 things in these mugs, you are going to add this to this jug. This n1, in this n1 mug you have 10. N2 mug you have 20. So you are going to add n1 and n2 both into this jug, this mug, right? Whatever. So then after that you are going to print what is in this mug. That is the total. Okay, can you write this code, same code, and press this run button? You can do this using your mobile. That is the beauty of this. Earlier days, to do programming, you need to install that language and the environment in your computer. Wagi computer ke language ka environment ka dekama dagena isarna karanna ona. Nowadays it's not required because you have cloud application, number of cloud applications. Without installing, you can do anything. Even Python you can run this way, C# you can run, HTML, JavaScript you can run this way. Without installing, you can run. So that is the beauty. And Pascal also, even though Pascal is very old programming language, you can run this. When you press run, you should see 30 here. Can you confirm that you are getting the same one, same results? Total is 30. Then green color code saying program finished with exit code 0. Green color result. Can you confirm whether you get the same? ඔයාලට ඒක හම්බ වෙනවද කියලා පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න. Ravindu got the results. Okay, good. Anuja Joel ආවද නැත්නම් මොන හරි අවුල් වෙලාද? උත්තරය ආවද නැද්ද?
ආවා සර්.
Joel Anuja දෙන්නම ආවද?
ආවා සර්.
හරිනේ. Okay, then let's change this to, දැන් අපි වෙනස් කරමු අපේ question එකේ තිබ්බ විදියට. So in our question said us to find the total and average and input numbers. Actually this is not input. මේකට අපි input කියන්නේ. මේ අපි කරේ number එකට value එක ඒ වෙලාවෙම දුන්නා. So that is not called input. To input this number we have to, so this is like this, okay? මේ part එක දකින්නේ මේ උඩ අලු පාට screen එක දකින්නේ programmer සාමාන්‍යයෙන්. දැන් අපිම තමයි user, අපිම තමයි programmer, but normally what's happening, this gray color area is visible to programmer. This black color area is user. Normally it's like that. But now we are the user and we are the programmer. We are the programmers and we are the users. So we will see both. එතකොට input එකක් කියන්නේ ගන්න ඕනේ මේ කළු පාට එකේදී. මෙතනදී නෙවෙයි. මෙතනදී ගන්න ඕන නම් ඒක input එකක් නෙවෙයි, that's a process. So let's change this. මම මේක වෙනස් කරනවා. I'm going to write I'm going to give a message, enter number 1. Then I'm going to read this. enter කරන number එක මම read කරනවා n1 එකට. Let's copy this. I'm going to copy this. මේක copy කරලා මම ආයෙ paste කරනවා. Copy කරලා ආයෙ paste කරලා ලියනවා. Enter number 2 TWO. Then I'm going to read this to n2. හරි එතකොට මම දැන් මෙතනදි දෙන්නේ නැහැ. මම කියන්නේ read කරලා ගන්න කියලා. I'm asking to read and get. Then find the total. Total විතර නෙමෙයි අපිට average උත් හොයන්න කිව්වනේ. Therefore I'm going to introduce average. Average is real. Real means දශම සංඛ්‍යාවක් තියෙනවා. You have decimal values too. Integer you have, when you divide you will get decimal values, no? But integers, when you add you will get integers. 2 integers added you will get integer. But when you divide, sometimes it can be floating point or decimal value. Therefore I'm declaring average as a real. Then here, let me erase this. avg colon equal total divided by 3. This is my average. Okay, then I'm going to print the total and print the average. This is my code. Actually, this is our program and this is the solution to our question. So let's try. Average is and colon average is total and average is 7. Okay, let's update this. මේ ඇත්තටම අපි කරේ අර අපෙන් අහපු question එකට. This was the question. So we asked the word file. Word file එකේ අපි flow chart එකක් යන්නේ කලින්. Flow chart එකේ අහපු question එක තමයි sequence එකේ add input 3 numbers, not only input 3 numbers and find here input 3 numbers and find the total and average as the output. So this program now it's really going to take this program. Now it's going to take this is 2 numbers. I need to add 3 numbers. N3 integer. Then here also n1 plus n2 plus n3. Here I have to add another line saying n1 plus n2 plus n3. Enter number 3. n1 number 1, number 2, number 3, and average real. So now I'm going to add. Okay, this is my code now. So let me run this. Input කියලා කියන්නේ the difference is this. Then user के साथ දැන් අර black එකේ තමයි අහන්නේ මේ black screen එකේ මගෙන් අහනවා enter number 1. I can enter that. I'm entering 78. Enter number 2. I can enter that 96. Enter number 3. I can enter 59. Then it will give me the total and average. Then it will give me total is 271. Average is 7.7 into E001 means 10 to the power 1. එයා දෙන්නේ scientific method එකට 7.7 වැඩි කිරීම 10 එක්වෙනි බලය. කියන්නේ 77යි. 7.1 වැඩි කිරීම 7.7 වැඩි කිරීම 10 එක්වෙනි බලය කියන්නේ 77යි. They are giving, it's given in scientific method. I can change this. But for the moment let's try for this. හරි අපි මේකත් try කරමුද ඉක්මනට. විනාඩි 2ක් දෙන්නම් අප්ඩේට් කරන්න. මොනවද වෙනස් කරන්න ඕන? මම මේක ලොකු කරලා ලියන්නම් වෙනස් කරන්න ඕන ටික. Then you can write. හරි integer 3ක් ගත්තා මම. enter number 1 මේක copy paste කරන්න. එතකොට 3ක් හම්බ වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ average ගත්තා real. වෙනස් කරපු දැන් ඉස්සරහින් මම දාන්නම් සංගලවරණක්. changed නැත්නම් ඔයාලට හොයාගන්න බැරි වෙනවා. දැන් තියෙන program එකකින් ඔතන change කරා. මෙතන change කරා. මේක change කරා. change කියලා ලියන්න එපා. Don't write change. There is a command. Here I change. Here I change. And here I change. Here also I have change. Here also I have change. So can you apply these changes quickly? I'll give you 3 minutes more. After finishing, you can run the program. You have to give inputs in the black screen. Black screen එකේදී තමයි numbers දෙන්න ඕන. Working? Working or not? Yes, if it is working, it's great because now what you can do? So now you have a new thing to do, right? So means even while traveling, if you have mobile phone with you, now you can convert you can create programs, you can create software, small software components or the programs easily. right? While traveling also you can do, because so this is convenient. This is, you can access using your mobile phone. Mobile phone again karanna puluwa, and you know the coding. So you have small homework to do by next week. ඊළඟ සතිය වෙද්දී ඔයාලට පොඩි homework එකකුත් තියනවා කරන්න. What homework is, you have working codes in your book. Textbook එකේ තියෙන වැඩ කරන code. Textbook එක හම්බෙලා නැත්නම් we have uploaded that to Edmodo. හරි, Edmodo එකට අපි upload කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒත් හොයාගන්න බැයි නම් මට කියන්න, send me a WhatsApp message, I will send. Right? එතන textbook එකේ තියෙන codes. ඒ codes දැන් ඔයාලට try කරන්න පුළුවන්. Not only that. So we have discussed last 3 weeks අපි කතා කරා, we have discussed about some flowcharts and pseudocodes. Try to convert that flowcharts and pseudocodes to actual codes. Actually, this is within next month. Next month is our programming month. Right? Next month, December, is our programming month. So what we are going to do is, we are going to code this everything and see. Code everything and see. So with that, this lengthy lesson will be over. This lengthy lesson will be over. But there are many. There are many to discuss. I think it will take 1.5 months. Very 1.5 months. It will take at least 1.5 months. January onwards, we will increase our time. දැන්ටත් මම පොඩ්ඩක් ගන්නවා අන්තිමේක ඉඳන් චුට්ටක් වැඩිපුර විනාඩි 10ක් විතර කරනවා. But other slots I don't have time. Next month onward, January onward, we will increase time to 1.5 hours, because otherwise it's not enough. And if you're not coming to the paper class, it's on Sunday morning, 7 to you can come for free without paying. You can come, but if you have to register either with one class, either with this class or paper class, then you can come to the paper class. It's Sunday morning. Sunday morning, its time is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. So if you want to discuss papers, you can come to that class too. Okay, with that I'll stop for today. You have to try this and get the output. If not, let me know, then I can help. Send me a print screen, then I can find the error. Screenshot එකක් අරගෙන WhatsApp එකෙන් හරි දාන්න. එතකොට මට error එක හොයලා උදව් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගලන්ට correct කරගන්න. Okay, with that I'll stop for today. Do you have any question to ask from me? Do you have any question to ask from me? Any questions? Okay, now you feel sleepy because it's tired day, end of a tired day. Okay. Anyway then, thank you very much for joining. And try this at home. Try these things at home. Try this. Change is not important. Program එකට මෙන්න මේ ටික තිබ්බම ඇති. You can take a print screen or screenshot of this. So this declaring this part is not required. Program එක වැඩ කරන්න මේ සංකල වරහන් නැතුව ඉතුරු ටික ඇති. Then this program will be working. So you can try these codes at home. Okay, then good night. And let's see you all in next week. Okay, this is the working program. I'll take a screenshot and send it to you. I'll take a screenshot and send it to you. So then, good night. See you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Bye. Good night.